Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So we still continuing the village vibe, village work, shampa, cooking, cleaning, whatever, you know it. So I'm here with a lot of new faces that you guys, well, not new faces, a lot of faces.
Yeah.
Hey, you are back.
I'm back from church.
Hey.
Yeah, guys, another episode or...
Yes,
yeah.
It's another video.
Ooh.
We are trying to create, fix that mud house.
Okay, so I left Geenyada.
Yeah.
They were doing
Some work.
Some work.
Yeah.
And right now, I'm back again. Welcome to Geenyada's channel. Kindly support Geenyada. Let's take her to 300,000.
Yes,
300,000. Kindly, yeah. Watch her videos. Don't skip the ads. Watch till the end, guys. We are here.
Don't
we will
skip
give
the
you
ads.
we will give you more of the village.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, so we have few friends here as well. Muit is around, Mobere is here, Ben.
Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to our mentor Geenyada.
Looking like you've been working all day.
Yeah, I've been working.
No way, bro.
You will see me here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Guys, if he doesn't do the work, the camera will tell it. Trust me.
Hey guys, you will see.
Yeah.
Our hard work. You can see this is not this muscle. It's not food.
It's work.
It's hard work.
Yeah, guys, this is Moita. Check him out. He's a clown sometimes.
Yeah, so guys, go and check me on YouTube at Moita Junior.
Yes.
On a road to 5,000 subscribers.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we have Mobere.
Hello guys, my name is Mabere Musa. Welcome to Geenyada's YouTube channel.
Hey.
So yeah, from the church,
Yeah.
then Marge invited me to go to the church.
Okay.
I got
It's a
the-
Sunday.
It's Sunday, so I got the
Yeah.
good experience today. So we are coming back to work again.
Yes, so guys, we're gonna help Mama Ann and Mama Sophia to build this home. So once we finish the mud house, we will start. We have Mutinde. She's gonna clap for us.
Yes, I'm the supervisor.
Yeah.
So I'm here to oversee things.
Hey.
I'm here to oversee things.
All right.
You know my role now.
Mwalimu. Hey, so guys, let's go. The first step is
So we are going to
create some mud.
create some mud together
Uh-huh.
and pour the water on top so that it gets wet. Then after that we're going to place the mud and fix it to
All right.
the wall.
Let's show them the steps now.
Poppy, you know how to do it.
I know, I'm the teacher today.
Pope,
You know, I'm the teacher
Pope,
of
this is
village experience.
Just be our guide, but you don't know.
come.
So guys, this is how we normally do it. We have to make this place clean first.
You have to clear it first.
Yes. This way.
Wow. So you do know
Yeah.
when you want.
I'm a village boy, so I told you that I know everything.
Village boy.
Yes.
Wow. Very clear.
Bring water. You are looking at me.
This guy is ready.
I'm going to show you where we
It's here. Just bring water.
Hey, this guy is ready. Wow. Who made you mad?
Yeah?
Who made you mad?
You.
He's working extra hard.
Oh, you told me that I don't look like a village boy.
Wow.
So I'm trying to prove you wrong.
You see, this guy is dressing good while working. Now this shows that you are going to...
So you want me to walk naked so that I can walk?
You find a shorts, like shorts.
Yeah.
When you step, you know me, I'm a village boy. Now that village
You
boga.
are a village boga.
You
Buga.
step on the mud like now
make
you
sure.
can't step
No,
on
you,
the
I
mud
have to
like
use a
this.
gumboot.
No.
Yes, I have
No.
to use a
You never
Your
prepared to do
leg.
this job.
I never.
You never prepared.
Do you know my house? Have you ever seen it?
Hey,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. So you did some.
The place is ready.
Mm.
Now I want to dig this one so that we can have enough water, Maja.
Soil.
Yes.
Soil.
Yeah.
Clay.
Hey.
You decide to dig a soft place.
No, this is not soap.
So
This guy came to work. You know I can do this. This is nothing.
Come. Come.
Yeah. This is nothing.
they are going to laugh.
You think this is hard?
So guys, we are trying to turn her into a village girl.
You ready?
Hey.
Shuck.
Hey. Hey.
Think.
Yeah, it's good. Let me help you.
Hey, I told you I could do this.
You can try not to do it.
I can do it. Hey. Wow. This is an exercise.
So, sorry. Now Pope. Maji.
After that, wow. So now,
Wait.
Listen,
Bring water.
there's more.
there's still water. There's still water.
Bring more.
Add more water. Should I?
Yeah.
Guys, this is what we will be doing. We'll use this soil and fix this. You see this? Hey. Hey, you tired?
No.
Hey. This guy is lazy.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's hear you breathe.
See how people is doing.
Let it go, let it go. You see Pope, he's doing it the right way. Let me show you.
Moita is not used to these things. He's already tired.
Very tired. Wow.
The mud is ready here, so we are going to place at that wall over there. So this is what you do. You use a jembe and you do like that, then you bring together,
You grab it.
you grab it together.
Mm.
So you hold it with one hand
And then the
you,
other hand,
you pinch.
and you keep slapping it.
Yeah,
Hey.
you place, so you pinch kidogo.
Slap. There you go.
See?
Not like that.
What? Don't use it.
You have to throw it.
Let me show you Pope.
Show us.
Let me show you.
Let him show us.
Not that way.
You have to throw it
Yeah, you have to throw it, not stick.
Oh,
like
Let me
that.
show you, Chinka. This way.
Hey, someone is feeling it today.
yeah.
Like that.
Oh.
And you make sure the places that have so much soil you avoid. So that they don't go to Namo.
But you can show us.
Yeah, come show us. We,
I'm the supervisor.
Martin, see when we come.
hey, no cornering. Come this way.
See the black mzungu.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, like you,
Go.
you don't apply force.
We shall make more.
And Ben is jumping,
Look at that.
jumping.
But
See
I'm
that?
blessing well.
No, you should
See
do
that?
it uniformly so that
There
you
you go.
see the progress.
Okay.
I'm a professional. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. How are you gonna tell me you don't know this? Come on. Shape. Where? You can see. They're doing it with two people.
No.
I'm alone.
See, this is for Geenyada.
I'm doing it alone. It's coming along though. There you go. You see this line?
Yeah.
Where?
Si tunapiga tu hapo. Hiyo area ya kutumaliza.
Tuache.
Yaani Ben, sisi tulikuwa maliza haka kakuta.
Hapo nusu.
Alafu sasa mta
Guys, we must be honest. Ben is the only one that worked really hard.
Yeah. You see how my legs are right now.
Oh my God.
It's good so that you can take shower today.
What are you saying? You don't take shower?
Sometimes he skips. He
Yo.
always tell you that a man should take shower twice in a week. Or 3
Hey, is that true?
Yes.
A man should take a shower twice a week.
Twice a week. Yes, yes.
He's another one. 2 weeks, twice a week. No, every day.
Every day.
Twice a day.
Oh,
Ah.
you know.
What do you mean? Are you a fish? You have to.
No,
Yeah.
No, I was like, you confused me. I was thinking it's
2 times a
2
day.
times a day.
Okay, not
No.
a week.
Not a week.
how often do you take shower?
Every day. Every
day?
night.
You
Yes.
sure?
Okay, every night, but not you shower once a day then.
Yes, once a day.
But it's
You are,
Me, I prefer
it's recommended to shower twice in the morning
Twice.
for
and
the ladies.
no.
Yeah.
There is nothing called ladies.
Yeah.
Even when you wake up, it's good for your body, especially to shower in cold water.
Maybe when I've gone for maybe a run, morning run, that one I agree. I can shower in the morning, then evening. But for me, I only shower once at night when I'm sleeping. Then
What?
But I know for ladies, thrice a day, and for men maybe
what makes
twice.
it 3 a day?
I think Moita showers twice a day. He
Yes,
looks
I do.
like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
always. That's
you'll finish water. in-
Moita,
That's the routine.
Moita. Ah.
What do ladies do that makes it 3 a
Secret
day?
at the end.
Because ladies cook, clean,
Yes.
they do so many chores at home. So
What I really know is that men should not take hot shower.
Why?
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 Yes, scientifically, men should not take hot shower.
Why? I've never
Not
heard that.
recommended.
It's not recommended.
With who?
What?
Who?
Yes,
Who?
scientifically.
No.
You are not supposed
This
to take a
information
hot
I don't
shower.
No
approve.
ladies, you take hot shower.
Yeah,
It's true. It affects.
No.
It's okay.
No.
You want me to tell you the reason?
Well, listen. I'm gonna leave it for the people in the comments
Yeah.
because me, I don't agree. I think
Yeah,
men can
yes.
shower hot or cold either.
No.
Yes.
Men should
Especially
not
I know
take
the
hot
city
shower.
boys. They like hot shower.
Tell men
I know
to be
that-
honest on the comment section.
I know the
Men
reason.
should know. You know. You
I
also
think
know.
I think this is a village information. I've
Not
never heard
village,
this.
Even me,
Not
I've never
village.
Uh,
I know the reason.
Tell them the reason.
you know the reason. I don't think we should say the reason. These
Yes.
people, we
But
might
there
have
is a
children
reason.
watching this.
There is a reason. So, Maja, you should not take hot shower.
No.
So that in
no,
future
no.
we don't start blaming
Even
for no
you,
reason.
you know,
Yeah.
even you, I believe ladies, like when your husband is back from heavy work, you have to give him hot shower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
I
That-
think
love.
I think hot shower is
said
good
love?
Yeah.
for the body.
Yes.
Especially if it has rained and it's cold
Yeah.
outside.
Cold.
You know, I come from a very cold environment, the US, and it snows.
Yes.
My brothers, my everybody.
So you want to tell us?
You have to.
You want
use
to
that.
tell us even in the US when there is snow, people should take cold or
I'm not
shower.
saying
Warm.
that.
Don't
you will
lie
get,
to
you
us.
will get,
Just warm.
You will
Just
get,
warm.
you will get bronchitis.
Not that.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Are you speaking
I'm
about
not-
the village?
Our teacher has cheated us.
No.
Speaking about
Okay, this is what we have two men here, and they agree with the fact that they should not take hot shower.
No.
Yes,
Who
they
agrees?
take hot
Who agrees?
shower.
Who agrees?
Mwita
Mwita
and
Junior
No.
Mabere
Mabera, we
Yeah.
agree.
So-
Yeah.
And we are, see, as we are many.
Who,
One,
you
two-
and who?
Who told you?
Another man.
Who said I'm supporting you? No.
So you don't take hot shower?
I don't take hot shower.
You should not.
You should not.
As a man,
I'll
you
tell
should
you
not.
the reason. Okay, I'm going to tell you the reason.
This one will
behind
be
the
off camera
Off
after
camera.
the video.
After the video.
Yes.
Oh, guys, you know, these guys are saying, and I think maybe this is the village mentality. I don't think this is scientific.
Yeah.
They're saying something might happen to the men if they use hot shower. There's nothing, for me, living abroad, there's nothing wrong with taking a hot shower. It's good for you. He agrees as well, so that's good.
Yes.
That means you guys should let us know.
I disagree.
Me, I think it depends.
Hey,
Depends.
he said it depends.
Listen, it
Well,
depends
when
where you
you
live.
come-
If you are from a cold place, then automatically you have to take hot shower. But for us in the village, where it's so sunny and hot, it's advisable that you take a cold shower.
There's nothing. Yeah, I
Not
agree.
advice. Okay, for me, scientifically, I know men should not take a hot shower. Though I have no problem with men
You know
taking
the
hot
problem
shower.
with
You say you throw in the
those
word
are mine.
scientifically out there. You need to send the link of where you getting that from. Hello.
Thank you. I'm full.
We should.
Village grandma, say hi.
Hey. So guys, in our previous video, we made sweet potato and the tea. Did you try the tea?
Very nice.
Ah.
Very nice.
Can we ask you a good question?
Not a bad one.
So we are saying that men or women can take hot shower or cold shower, but then Juliana here is saying no, scientifically men should not take hot shower. What do you think?
It depends.
But it's okay, right? If men
okay,
take,
yes.
there you go. We don't need to hear anybody's information. Grandpa has spoken.
Depends on one's dish.
Yes, if it's
Yes.
cold outside,
Yes, to
it's
take-
good to take hot
yes,
shower.
yes.
If it's hot, cold water. Hey, case closed.
No problem.
No problem. Guys, thank you so much. That's it from us in the village. Please support all my friends here. That's it. And we want to say goodbye until next time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
God bless.